Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing QLED versus Crystal UHD. Now, if you don't know what these two are, QLED is a display technology used in higher-end TVs that uses quantum dots for better brightness, color, and contrast, made popular by Samsung. Now let's head on over to Crystal UHD, and Crystal UHD is Samsung's term for its entry-level 4K LED TVs. So it's basically just a LED TV that is 4K, and it uses a standard LED panel with decent color and resolution, but without the quantum tech, unlike QLED. Now, the pros of QLED is that it has a brighter display, it has more vivid colors, it has better contrast and HDR performance, and it has a longer lifespan for image quality. So basically, if you don't know, the image quality of TVs get worn down over time since it has burn-in on the screen itself, so the image gets deteriorates as time passes. Now let's head on over to Crystal UHD. So the pros of it is that it is more affordable, and it has a 4K resolution. It has decent quality for casual viewing, and it has a slim design. Now, the cons of it is that it has a lower brightness and contrast compared to the QLED. It has less vibrant colors compared to the QLED, and it has a weaker HDR performance compared to the QLED. Now, which one should you choose? So, you should choose QLED for superior picture quality and brightness, and you should choose Crystal UHD if you're on a budget and want solid 4K performance. So, for most people, Crystal UHD is enough. And you should only choose QLED if you're really particular on the image quality that you want. So yeah, that is it. That is the difference between QLED and Crystal UHD. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.